Hi children, welcome to Stay Tuned channel. You can subscribe, like and comment on my channel. Today I am going to teach NCERT grade 8 Honeydew book chapter number 4 Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. This lesson has been written by Satyajit Ray. I must really tell you about Satyajit Ray because he is the greatest filmmaker of India. He hails from Calcutta and he has made excellent movies which has brought great credits to our country. So now this chapter has 4 parts. This chapter has 4 parts. Let me start with the first part. So here the main protagonist of this lesson is Bipin Chowdhury. Bipin Chowdhury has something to do with his memory. See, you all have good memory. Sometimes when you don't remember anything, you feel very bad. You feel very embarrassing that why I forgot all these things, isn't it? So who will not remember things? Yes, old people, okay, because they are becoming older, so they may forget lot of things. But here it is not like that. Bipin Chowdhury has very good memory, but some of his friends prank on him and he is unable to recollect his stay at Ranchi. Ranchi is in Bihar. So he nearly becomes crazy or mad because he could not recollect that he has been to Ranchi, but his friends around him put him in a tight spot where he is about to believe that he had been to Ranchi. So let us go to the first part. Every Monday, Bipin Chowdhury, after his work, would drop at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. Kali Charan's is the name of a bookstall where he buys books. What type of books he likes, you know? He likes crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He at least buys 5 books at a time throughout the week. So once when he was buying books, he noticed that someone was watching him. So Bipin Babu saw him. He was a stranger for him, but he smiled at him. And he asked the question, don't you remember me? But Bipin Chowdhury says that I have never met you before. The man looks very surprised. He says that we met every day for a whole week. He arranged for a car to take him to the Hudru Falls in 1958 in Ranchi, and his name was Parimal Ghosh. The stranger's name is Parimal Ghosh. So you must be thinking of the names. These names are Bengali names. So that's why it might be a different pronunciation for you. So he says that he is Parimal Ghosh and he had arranged for a car to go to falls. Which falls I said? Do you remember? Yeah, Hudru Falls. So this man arranged for a car for Bipin Babu to go and see the Hudru Falls. But Bipin Babu says that he don't remember. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but the man was making a mistake. So he is very conscious about his memory. That man might have mistaken somebody else. It is not me, because Bipin Babu, according to Bipin Babu, he says that I have never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. Several times he thought that he must go to Ranchi, but he couldn't go to Ranchi even once. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue, and said, "Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chowdhury?" So he wants to test that person. So Bipin Chowdhury asked that who I am. So immediately Parimal Ghosh finds him out and says that who doesn't know you? You are Bipin Chowdhury. Bipin Babu now turns towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you are making mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." Again and again he repeats. The man now laughs aloud. Aloud means he is laughing with a lot of sound. "What are you saying, Mr. Chowdhury? You had a fall in Hadru and cut your right knee. I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhut the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bangla. You said you didn't like hotel food and preferred to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Bawarchi means cook. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? I'll tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it whenever you were on the sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? So now Babu was really surprised because the man, whatever he is telling, is correct about him. Bipin Babu spoke quietly and his eyes still on the books. "Which month in 1958 are you talking about?" The man said, "October." "No, sir." Bipin Babu says, "No, sir. I spent puja holidays in 1958 with my friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake." So he says goodbye and leaves the place. But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. So he is repeatedly telling him lot of incidents, that how he fell down in Hidru Falls and had a knee injury. Then he is telling one more incident. "One evening, I had tea with you in a veranda of your bangla. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane. Insane means mad, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi." When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in the utter disbelief. So, with that, we come to the end of the first part.